Okay, in question 14, the figures below are formed using similar matchsticks and dots. Let's take a look at the patterns. Right? We have figure 1, we have figure 2, we have figure 3. And then we need to complete the follow table. So for figure 1, we have 1 dot and 4 sticks. For figure 2, we have 3 dots and 10 sticks. For figure 3, we have 6 dots and 18 matchsticks. And the question is asking how many dots are in figure 4 and how many sticks are in figure 4. Okay, so let's first take a look at the dots. You can see for figure 1, the number of dots is actually 1, so it's just basically 1. In figure 2, we have the first row, we have 1 dots. Second row, we have 2 dots, so it's 1 plus 2. So in total, we have 3 dots. And in figure 3, first row 1 dots, second row 2 dots, third row 3 dots. So that's going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, so how many dots are in figure 4? If you're not sure, why not? Let's modify figure 3 to let it become figure 4. So I'm going to add a few matchsticks. I also need to draw a few dots. Okay, 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, 4 dots. So this becomes figure 4. So how many dots are in figure 4? In the first row, we have 1 dot, second row, 2 dots, 3 dots in the third row, and 4 dots in the fourth row. So the total sum is going to be 10. So 10 dots in figure 4. Similarly, now let's count how many matchsticks are there in figure 4. So in top 3 rows, we already have 18 sticks. So now we can just continue to count from the fourth row. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So in total, we have 28 matchsticks. Okay. In question B, which figure will have 120 dots? So we know the first row has 1 dot, second row has 2 dots, so on and so forth. Nth row is going to have n dots. So now let's just count and doing the sum and see in which row we're going to reach 120 dots in total. Okay, the first row has 1 dot, the second row has 2 dots, third row has 3 dots, fourth row has 4 dots, fifth row has 5 dots, right? So now let's actually add everything together. So by now we are ready. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10. So by now we have 15 dots. So this is not enough. Let's continue. Let's add 1 more row 6, 1 more row 7, 1 more row 8, 1 more row 9, and 1 more row 10. Okay, you can still do the addition, and it's 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 8, that is 36, 36 plus 9, 45, 45 plus 10, that's going to become 55. But this is still not enough, so let's continue. So I'm going to 1 more row, 11, and the 12th row, 12, and the 13, and add the 14, and add the 15. Let's continue to count. So let's continue to do the addition now. And we have 15 plus 11 become 66. 66 plus 12 become 78. 78 plus 13 become 91. 91 plus 14 become 105. 105 plus 15 become 120. Okay, 120. By now we reach 120. Okay, wonderful. We meet our target. And how many rows do we have? We have 15 rows, so that corresponding to figure 15. So the answer is going to be figure 15.